This is CMS-476, Database Design, lecture material for Session 8, the never-ending series of small screencasts. We've made a model of our patients class using the UML tool Argo UML. We've passed that to Joel Burton's wonderful web tool, which has converted it to XML and Python files suitable for use with Plone. You have downloaded Plone and installed the software. You've uncompressed the zip file that we got back from Joel Burton's website into the products subfolder of your Plone site. We're now ready to see what that buys us. Start your Plone software. You'll get a nice small tool, and one of its choices is to view your Plone site. That will open your web browser with a peculiar URL of http://localhost. Go ahead and log in with your credentials that you set up when you installed Plone. Things are a little different because of my rearranging the window to cut down on upload size for YouTube, and also the fact that I've been attending a class where we've been playing with all this stuff. Once you've logged on, you should have a site setup button somewhere in the upper right hand corner of your website. When you click on that, it will take you to Portal Setup. In the interests of speed, I've opened a new tab with that already available. The very first choice is Add-on Products. What you've done with UML and uncompressing the zip file in the Products folder is created what's called a custom product for Plone. When you click on Add-on Products, and yes, in the interest of time, I've opened that in another tab, you will get a list of all the uninstalled available products and then the installed products below that. In my case, the thing that I unzipped went into a folder called Default. I really would have expected it to be in a healthcare folder, but wherever it is, you should find the folder the name of the folder that you created when you unzipped your files, and click on the install button. Now, my Plone instance has been seriously degraded by all the development work we've done over the last 2 days in Joel Burton's class here in Washington. It will take quite some time. Meanwhile, while that's happening, I'm toggling back here to show you what you should see. Under Add New, there is now at the very bottom a Patients item. That was created because your UML model and the Python that was generated from it has been correctly installed and run on Plone. Once again, to keep the upload small, we're going to pause right here. When we return, we'll take thankfully, the last installment and see exactly what Patients looks like in a web browser and what sort of behaviors it has.